Hey guys, Peyton here on Funimate Tutorials. Today I'll be showing you how to make your text look like text messages coming through. To start off with, go to your desired Funimate video. Then press play and take the first phrase of lyrics.
The superficial love thing.
Mine is the superficial love thing. Next, go to your text messages. Now send yourself the lyrics. Go to your home screen and take a screenshot as it comes through. And make sure you crop it to make it easy to sticker. Go back to your Funimate video and press add sticker, then camera roll. Now make a sticker of your new screenshot. This part usually takes a while if you want to make it perfect. So if you're not happy with it, just press reset sticker. Okay, I'm happy with that. Now, this option will pop up. Enlarge the sticker and put it at the top part of the screen with a tiny bit hanging over. As the lyric plays, pull down the sticker.
The superficial love thing.
Make sure you stop holding your finger on the screen when the lyrics have ended. Now, change the opacity of the sticker. Make it going from lighter to darker. Make it fade going into the sticker and make sure you make it fade going out of the sticker to make it look like the notification is popping up and then going away. Now take the next phrase of the lyrics.
Got me going crazy.
Mine's got me going crazy. Repeat, go back to your home page, take it screenshot as it comes through and make sure you crop it. Save photos, go back to your Funimate video, add sticker, camera roll, and just repeat what you just did. Put this text message at the top of the screen just like you did with the first one. Then start the